can't tell, we're in a bad mood. So don't mess with us today. We're going to get this video pumped out, get it to you guys, and everything's going to be good in happy Ronnie land.
Or we're going to be ordering a lot of new parts.
Or that. Mood.
I already am. So, last night when we were jacking up the front end and everything, we broke one of my mounts that held my axle in place. So, like 2 hours prior to Beau came out here, or 2 hours before Beau got here, I've been out here the entire time trying to get this axle lined back up. I got it pretty close. We are 3/16 of an inch further out over here on the axle to the frame rail versus that side. I don't know if that's too much or not, but we're gonna charge on. We messaged B Banny, we're waiting on him to respond, but we have to cut this off, so we're gonna go ahead and get this off anyways. And yeah, I don't know, we'll wait and see what he says. If he says that it's jacked, then I'm gonna need another one of these, and I'm gonna need a set of eyelets, and I'm gonna take this one off, and I'm gonna take that off, and then we'll figure it out, I guess. I don't know, maybe I need both sets of eyelets. I really don't know.
The axle is perpendicular to the drive line.
Yeah.
Like, each side of the axle is the exact same distance away from these mounts right here, the bed mounts.
Yeah.
So we've got the axle
within
perpendicular.
a 16th.
Yeah, within a 16th.
So
but
that's,
like from side to side, 3/16,
yeah.
just a tiny little bit. So
Yeah.
we're wondering if that's a big deal. It doesn't seem like a big deal because it's not like it's rocket science or brain surgery, but you know, we don't want it to. We want it to drive right, and we want it to drift right. So we'll see what B Banny says.
and Beau was reading online, and this never occurred to me, and all he said was the word pan hard bar. And so a pan hard bar allows the axle to like shift side to side as it's traveling. So like as it goes down, it'll pull it whatever way the pan hard bar is. So I'm kind of thinking it's probably going to be okay. I mean, it's not ideal, obviously. If we were within 1/16 of an inch, like I'd be like, let's weld it up, done. But being more than 1/4 of an inch, I'm a little, or no, I guess it's not more than 1/4.
No,
I guess
way
it's
less
just
than
under
1/4 inch. It's just
So,
under 1/4 of an inch.
You know, over an 1/8, I guess.
Yeah.
If it was an 1/8 or less, I'd be okay. But being just over, I'm on the fence. But really, I think it's okay. But anyways, I'm gonna start cutting that out. So I'm gonna give Beau the camera.
So we're about to send it. These are the poop glasses, by the way. We're about to just tack this last arm up. We figured, we talked to B Banny, and from talking to him and just, I don't know, standing here thinking, we figured 3/16 isn't that much, so we're just gonna knock it out and see how it rolls. Just finished cleaning up the axle. We're about to tack this fool up.
So Beau's doing some welding. We got the 4 links on. Now we're just putting in the coilover crossbar thing. And yeah, it'll basically be done. Look, that's kind of cool. You can see it like through the STI. Anyways, yeah, Beau's gonna finish that up, and then we're gonna let it cool off, and then we're gonna put everything together, and then we'll technically have finished suspension on the truck. The front's done. You guys saw that in the last video. If you guys didn't watch that video, go watch that video right now. But let me show you what the coilovers look like up front. There they are. Looking good. How's it going back here, Beau?
Good, good. I'm done.
Nice. Are you gonna do the other side? Or you want me to do the other side?
I'll do the other side.
All right.
Kind of on a roll, so.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah, it's super fun. It's super fun. I'm just gonna remeasure and make sure
Okay.
where we need to be.
Welding's like, if you can weld, it's like part of getting your man card.
Yeah, dude. Totally man card.
So what we got?
Still 34 3/8 here.
Perfect.
Yep, we're good.
Good to go. All right, so he's gonna finish up that one, and then we're done. We'll let it cool off. We'll put it together, and that's when you'll see us again, when it's all together. So, see you guys in a minute.
This shit's rad.
It'll be one of the high horsepower hard bodies out there.
Will it?
As far as I know. I don't know anybody's making 500 horsepower in their single cam hard body. Look at that, dude.
By the way, if you're making 500 horsepower in your single overhead cam hard body, let us know. So how do you feel about this? It looks amazing.
I'm so excited because like the last time I saw this thing on tires, it ran. Actually, no, it didn't, because I guess the last time it was on tires was when we pressure washed the engine bay.
Oh yeah.
So it's been.
I'm gonna get around over here so I can get a dope shot of it. How fat it looks.
The cool thing is like the truck's like super low. Like the door is at my hip, and the roof is at my shoulder, and that's the highest this truck will ever be. Like, it can't go higher than this.
Hang on one second. What were you saying? Levi was screaming in the background.
Being a madman over there. Like, this is the highest the truck will ever sit from now on.
Dang, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting.
Dude, I'm excited.
We have a few small things that we have to do. These coilovers, they're not on here permanently. They're on here for the time being. So this one I already shaved down, so it'll actually work. We have to shave the other 3 eyelets down. We don't have our bushing on the bottom currently, so I'm gonna pick the truck back up, get the weight up off the axle. So we'll trim those down, then we put those bushings on and everything. Then later we'll get the same ones that are up front. We got to send the bars off to Paul, the springs off to Paul to get powder coated. I'm going to sandblast all this back here and paint it black now that it's together. Like we can move the truck.
Woohoo! Look at it. It's rolling. It's rolling.
It's so crazy. I don't even know. It started off as a bad day, and now like I could make this truck run in like 20 minutes if I had the motor here.
So you got to experience this with us. Ronnie's super happy, and I'm super happy that he's super happy.
It's a big project, done.
It is.
Like,
huge project.
what?
All right, I gotta go eat dinner. We'll talk to y'all later.
Bye, guys.